What's the meaning of aesthete? Aesthete. 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 An aesthete is a person who has a deep appreciation of beauty, art, and the finer things in life. They are often sensitive to the emotional and sensory experiences that art and beauty can evoke. Aesthetes value aesthetics above other practical or functional considerations and are often associated with a refined and sophisticated taste. They may be interested in various forms of art such as music, literature, painting, and architecture. Overall, an aesthete is someone who seeks beauty and pleasure in life and appreciates the artistic and creative elements in the world around them.